So I was just watching.
Recently on.
That's not what I clicked. Tried to watch my video. Scroll down for no reason.
Today we're watching sprunki by famous phone ringtones. Let's see this.
Okay, it's not here anymore.
Bro!
It says I'm watching a lot of. This is my video. What are you talking about? Like.
Was this recording? Okay, today we're watching sprunki by famous phone ringtones. Let's see this.
I was scrolling down for no reason, and now this is the second one.
Bro!
We're watching this. This is the Samsung ringtone I prefer. Yeah, this is the ringtone I prefer. Why is he so loud? This one. Why? Why did you even do horse guy? Please to stop using horse guy. Okay, so that's funny, whatever you pronounce it as. I thought it was just a TV company because I used to play Little Big Planet, US, and like the controller on the main on the lobby area was like it said Sony or whatever or SONY, and yeah, that was just like a TV game and other stuff company.
Huh?
Never knew made phones. Okay, just try to find something related to this. Let's go back to my video.
Got a song stuck in your head? Download the Google app to figure out what it is. Tap the mic and...
Yes. What the... This is hilarious. Not the phone. Oh, I'm ready for it. Okay, I think I should just put a side-by-side comparison with this one and the sprunki one. Hello. Alright. Alright. Pistol. banana cat. What the? What the? Cat getting paranoid. What? Oh, the eating cat. Cat's eating nothing. Yeah. Painful. Okay, this is very long. Even everyone turned the world. Okay, so ringtone. Oh my God, the mic's actually there. Mine was actually there. Yes.
What keeps baby's skin healthy? A diaper that doesn't leave skin wet. That's why
Do my favorite. This is my favorite song. Blackberry.
Hello, Moto.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
So I did a video talking.
Not when I click. Go to the end. Okay. Okay, that was hilarious. Well, goodbye, guys.